What's up, everybody? This is T-Roy here with another episode of T-Roy's Toys, and on today's episode we're going to fix up this little John Deere garden trailer. Now guys, I wasn't going to do a video on this, but where I work at, it's kind of rural, and I saw this on the side of the road the other day and I thought, yeah, it said free on it, yeah, I'll pick it up. But anyway guys, it's not much to it. Apparently it had a pole saw and stuff, but that wasn't there when I got it, so it was just the trailer. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's not really rusted out. Tires hold air. Tires actually look kind of new, guys. It's got the tongue is a little bent. Looks like a tree or something may have fallen on it. So anyway, I'm gonna do my best to try to straighten that tongue and knock some of that dent out, and we'll see what we come up with. Alright, now that we got this set up, I'm going to try to stand on part of it and hit the other part with the sledgehammer and see if we can't straighten it out. Well, that worked easier than expected. I'll tell me. Does that look pretty straight? She looks pretty good to me. I think that'll work. Now let's see if we can do something with that. Yes, I'm aware it's sketchy, but is it going to work? Absolutely. If not, we'll find out, and we're going to get it on video. Anyway, let's knock the dent out. Well, somebody's having a good day. Hey, Bandit, you going to do anything today? Yeah, I didn't think so. All right, John Deere versus Sledgehammer. Take one. Alright guys, here she is. Oh, she's looking good already. That dent come out pretty good, and you could work it some more, but I hammered on that some. But for what I'm going to do with this thing, I'm not really worried about it looking nice. Kind of be cool if I had the tailgate, but hey, can't argue with free 99. Alright, so the next thing we need to work on here is the tongue right here. Let me flip this thing over and I'll show you. Alright, now don't look at the four-wheeler. That's for a future project. Just pretend y'all didn't see that. Alright, you can see here, I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but that's why this was so easy to bend back in place. It actually tore this pretty much in half. I guess the hole through that made it weaker. So I'm gonna see if I can't find something. We're gonna brace this up or see what I can't do with that to fix it, because otherwise it's just gonna bend again. Alrighty guys, I found something to brace up our trailer here. This was in the scrap pile. It's got a bend in it, but I think we'll cut it right here, right before the bend. I think it'll be enough. Let's see what we got. I'll do it right at 16 inches, so to give us, I want to make two pieces of it, so it's going to be 8 inches each. Oh, the vibrations are making all my tools go everywhere. I think that'll get her. Well, alright guys, here's the finished product. They're not perfect. I kind of, you know, because they were on the edge, drill bit didn't want to go in, so I had to use the Sawzall a little bit. They're a little jagged, but you know what? It'll work. It's better than it was. It's on the underside anyway. You're not going to see it. But yeah. Alright, well let's put the latch on it. Alright guys, I figured it out. I just have to get my head out of my butt. Alright. I think she's good to go. So our little John Deere yard lawn cart that we got for free is ready to go. Now, like I said, you could beat some of those dents out. You could go all out and repaint the thing and fix it up. We're not going to do that. And guys, I did everything. It didn't cost me anything. It was stuff I had laying around. It was just some old hardware, some old washers, just stuff I had. So I'm literally $0 into this. Just a little time, a little effort. Well, alrighty guys. Now, in the interest of doing things that are free, I want to show you a little project I've been working on and the reason for us using this little lawn cart. So over here, guys, where our carport is, where I keep the Maverick and my wife's car, of course, you know. Anyway, where I keep those here, there's this little space between the fence and the edge of the carport. So, and you can see I've already started. We're going to make a little rock garden. Some of these I've dug up in the yard. Some of them I found where I work at, work for a water company, so I get a lot of rocks and stuff. I think I have enough, but anyway, let's see if we can't finish this up. All right, let's get some rocks. Well, alrighty guys, it only took me about 2 loads and I got her done. Well, I got all the rocks I have anyway. She's not done. Let me show you this rock garden. Alright, trailer, she held up good. Alright, here it is. Y'all tell me what you think down below in the comments. Now, of course, I still have room for some more rocks, and I'll always find some more, but that's all I have at the moment. It covered the dirt anyway, so you kind of get the idea of what I'm looking for. Anyway, guys, there's our rock garden. It didn't cost us a dime. That's going to do it for this episode. I hope y'all enjoyed this little fixing up this little garden trailer, and y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think of the rock garden. The rock gardens are pretty neat, and if you don't have, like, I live in East Texas. I wish we had cooler rocks, but we don't. All we really have is that sandstone and that iron ore junk, and that's pretty much all we got. But to me, it doesn't look bad. Even if you don't have rocks in your area, you know, there's always, you can pick up, I've seen people take pieces of like broken concrete, small pieces. But I will give you a piece of advice. If you're going to be doing this, don't let your eyes be stronger than your back. So, anyway, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that mumbo jumbo everybody else always says. And y'all have a good evening.